Hello everyone, welcome to the Microsoft Word application course. Today we will continue with the topic tables, and specifically in this video we will be looking at using table design to change the style and shading of a table. So in the previous videos we've created some tables, so I will go to the practice document and there we can use one or two of the tables or make a new table, and we can show you how to add designs to your table. So if I open my document, so basically speaking, if you look at this drawing here, we're saying when you create a table, which is normal like this, you can add a style to it to look like this way, or you can add a color or shading to look like this. So we did have a table that we created here. So let's assume this is our normal table that we created. So in order to add some style to this table, I will select it. To select the table, you need to, so if I go away from the table, I don't see anything around the table, but the moment I come to the table, I see the handle, or what we call the table handle. So you can click on that table handle. So for this, you've selected the table handle. Now we're not going to use all this here. You can use them later when you know how to do all the commands. So what we will do is you will look for the menu table design, which is here. If you click it, and here you see table styles group, and if you go to the different styles to see more of them, you can click this arrow down, and there you see, and we can specifically pick, let's say this one. I think that looks almost close like what we want, but let's go for it. So if you click it, there you see a design. Well, it's different from this, so you can also go back, and there it's like the design. So let's take this one here, and that looks like it. So you can change it to different style like you want. Now if you just want your table to maybe have a color shading, which means it doesn't take the style, you can just go to shading. By the way, this is still on the table design and on the table styles. And if you take the shading, I can pick a color yellow. You see, if I do that, it doesn't affect the table because I did not select the table. So be careful, because you have to make sure this table is selected. So I will undo this action. Then I will select the table correctly, and then I will go to shading, and I'll say yellow, and you see the yellow is there. Now you notice the writing, some of them are white, and that's because the text color is different. So you can easily change this by selecting the table again, and you can go to home and go to text color, and you can say black, and there you can see that. So if you want to keep changing that, that's up to you. So table design, first select table design, pick a selection from the list, or you go to table design shading. So that's how you add some design to your table if you want, and it's up to you to do what you want with your table. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and I will see you again in the next video.